Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 15 May 2018, 09 of hour, 44 of minute and 46 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can you keep a space heater on all night? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can you keep a space heater on all night. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can you keep a space heater on all night. Although modern heaters have safety features built in, you should never leave a space heater running overnight. Even if you have good wiring or you use a gas heater, you should turn off a space heater at night. Credit Svetlana Stock Jet Images. Never leave a space heater running while you sleep. Last update Jan 21, 2011. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.